Let's have a budget slideshow. First, money in and money out. Back to Paul Keating's budget number 8 in D major in 1990. Now, after the 1991 recession, receipts went above payments for a decade, thanks to the mining boom. Now, the GFC put paid to that, and then there was the pandemic. This one shows what's called the structural budget balance, that is, leaving out fiscal measures and cyclical economic factors. It's the real underlying position, and it's been structural deficits for the past 10 years and the next 10 years, and still nowhere near surplus. At some point, something might need to be done about it. The post-GFC deficits have meant federal government debt has gone up as much as it did between 1910 and 1920 as a percentage of GDP. But at least it's not like the Second World War debt, although that sharp decline after 1945 was largely due to population growth, which won't happen this time. Here's the GDP forecast from the budget papers. As you can see, the pandemic is just a brief interruption. The unemployment forecast has been sharply reduced from 6 to 4.75%. But perhaps a grain of salt should be included with copies of the budget papers. This chart shows the wages forecast in the papers since Wayne Swan's second last effort in 2011. Will 8 wrongs make a right? Well, it's the first time for everything. On the markets, share prices fell, with banks, miners and retailers all down, apart from CBA, which produced a decent quarterly result. Iron ore retraced some of yesterday's big rise, but copper kept going, and the Australian dollar dropped back to 78 US cents. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.